My name's Ryan Verrecchio, and I had to go to Rothman for my left shoulder. We watch the Eagles religiously every Sunday. You know, we're on the couch, we're usually making soup, making chili, relaxing. If we can get tickets, we'll come up to a game. My biggest memory would be the parade after the big game. You have the Eagles fans there, you have that passion. My injury was kind of complex. I just started kind of simple. I was, a couple tears in my shoulder, had to get fixed. And then it just kind of spiraled out of control, got infection, never really got better. It was a career-ending injury. For a while there, I thought it was like a life-ending injury because I was so banged up. Saw doctors before that for surgeries that were unsuccessful. I couldn't raise my left arm for the longest time. You know, I was on pain medicine. I was having pain injections. I was having injections in my neck for the pain in my shoulder. And I was told, it'll get better, it'll get better, it'll get better. I was able to find a doctor here in Philadelphia that ended up going was Rothman, and had to really fight to see somebody that knew what they were doing when it comes to shoulders. And I've been with him for the last several years. And I actually traveled down to Orlando, Florida to see him. Rothman Orthopedics, they treat the birds, best of the best. When I walked in there and they said, okay, this is our plan. You need a shoulder replacement. You're young, but we're gonna do it. It was a big relief. It got me night and day difference from where I was. It puts a lot of things into perspective. There was a time I used to come to games all the time. I didn't want to come to games. I didn't want to see the Eagles. But now that I'm better or getting on the road to recovery, it's more enjoyable. I love Rothman Orthopedics and I love the Philadelphia Eagles. Rothman specializes in shoulders, so I can specialize in cheering for the Eagles.